Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Igawa. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. So yeah, today is special day of my school, especially my class, because one of my lovely student is birthday party today. His name is Austin, is turning 3. So today I want to make the unboxing about the present that I get from Austin. Before that, I will give you the picture of Austin. Here we go. Okay, at the school I get the 12 donuts, but one of them I already eat before I take the picture.
Guys, after donuts, we also get this one. I love Miss Iyi and Tusan. This one is you ya and Tusan because my class name is Nursery San. Ta-da! What is this ya? Wow! This is the pouch. Oh my god, I love you. I love this one. Ini tuh manis banget ya guys. Dia tuh lucu banget, imut banget. Wow, timbal balik. This one from Tinkle Wiz and Paranjif. Okay, let's we see inside how to open it. Is it like this? Okay. Whoa. Okay, wait. Okay. That boy is get cold. Me also. Okay guys, kita lanjutin ya. Ini teksturnya lembut banget. Ini pakai rambut. Sorry ya guys, it's so long because my hand only one. Oh. Let's see inside. Wow, so cute. Austin's third birthday, so I will always remember this part because there is the Austin name over here. I love you, Austin. Oh, this one is ta-da! Oh, so cute. Why so cute this one? This one is small tower. Itu handuk kecil ya guys. Oh, any else? Oh, nice. Handy wash.
So yeah guys, that's all from my students' Austin birthday party. So I hope as the parent you must thinking about the teacher. So the small things make the biggest feeling ever. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment in my YouTube video. Thank you so much for your attention.